Hello all, me Ms. Rasika welcomes you all in this exciting video about how to remove duplicates from unsorted linked list. In some earlier videos we have did a lot with linked list, like finding its length or reversing the list, and now we will find duplicates from unsorted linked list, and we will remove them. Before going further, firstly go with what is duplicates. When we use linked list, then it's a possibility that one node is added more than one time in list, or same data is repeated in the list. So such repeated nodes or data are called as duplicates in list. When we use linked list to store the data in nonlinear memory, so when we add elements in list, then they directly deals with memory. So these duplicates waste our memory, and they need to remove. Here let's see need to remove duplicates or why to remove duplicates. Consider that you are reading a book which you have waited from long time, but some pages in your book is repeated more than one time. Then did you get happiness while reading book? Of course not. Same rule can be applied to linked list. These duplicates ruins the flow of linked list, also looks bad in presentation. Also they waste memory and time too. We can also compare removing duplicates with filtering water. Intention to filter water. Water is to remove bad things or elements from it. Similarly, remove duplicates means filtering of list. So I think now you got enough knowledge about duplicates and need to remove them, so go with how to remove them. To remove duplicates we need to traverse in list with 2 pointers or with 2 positions. Here we will take 2 pointers which will iterate freely in the list. Then we will compare each node with all other nodes. If data of both found same, then one of them should be duplicate and it should be removed. Just to make your idea more clear, let's start with algorithm. To find and remove duplicates from unsorted linked list. This algorithm contains 6 steps which are easy to understand and implement. 1. Take 3 pointers as PTR1, PTR2 and duplicate. Second is point one pointer to head and another to next to it. Third step is to start iterating through the list. PTR1 should be fixed at place and start moving PTR2 till end. In fourth step, if data along both will coincides, then remove data from PTR2 next. Fifth is for it using duplicate node, put PTR to next equals PTR to next. And in last sixth step, move PTR1 till end and do same steps with each node. So to make idea most clear with or wasting our time, let's rush toward a programming part to find and remove duplicates from unsorted linked list. Here as usual we have taken 2 classes, one for node and another for list. In class node 2 data element or exist data to store integer in list, next is linked to next node. In class linked list head node is declared, and ALNG with it 3 methods are taken, one to add elements in list, and another to display list, and third to find and remove duplicates from unsorted linked list. In add node, integer argument is taken, which will be a integer which is going to add into the list. We are going to add a node using 2 temporary variables. Temp is to traverse the list and another is a new node which will be added in the list. We will start traversing with head node, but if no node is added in the list, then our new node will be head node from onwards. But if list is not empty, then we will traverse till end and add node over here. In method display we will simply traverse the list using temporary variable, and with each iteration we will print data within that node. In function remove duplicates, firstly we will take 3 pointers as PTR1, PTR2 and duplicate. Then we will point one pointer to head and another to next to it. After it we need while loop to start iterating through the list. Here PTR1 should be fixed at place and start moving PTR2 till end. Then we will compare the current element with rest of the elements. If data along both will coincides, then remove data from PTR2 next. For it we will use duplicate node which was declared declared earlier. Firstly, we will assign PTR2 next to duplicate, then PTR2 next will be PTR2 next. I.E.PTR next node will be removed from list, and then memory of duplicate node or node which was removed will be released. If data is not equal, then we will point PTR2 to NNEXT node. Then we will move PTR1 till end and do same steps with each node. Let's go to main function. Here it is really important to make object of list class. Here list name is a. Firstly, we will take number of elements in the list, and using for loop we will add all elements in the list. Here in this code we are displaying the whole list, but if you want then you cannot display it over here. Then we will call remove duplicate method, and then we will display updated list over here. So let's start with output of this code. Firstly, we will add number of elements in the list. Then we will add all elements in the list. Them list will be displayed. Then duplicates were removed and we will get updated and filtered list. Thanks for watching this video. For such more videos, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.